students, today we study from workbook taken from page 193 until 195. This type of questions look similar like in your workbook, just a different number. Okay, the first one, question number 1, so you can do it by yourself at home. A rectangular tank measured 10 cm by 4 cm by 7 cm. How many milliliters of water is contained in the tank when it is 1/4 full? But first, we need to understand what is the capacity and what is volume. The capacity is amount of substance, can be liquid or gas, but today we are studying about liquid, that a container can hold. So this is the capacity, how much this container can hold. And then the volume is the space taken up by the object itself. So from this case, the volume is this. As you see, the blue color is the water. Okay, now we are going to find the capacity first. Capacity is length times breadth times height. So from this picture, this is going to be the length, the breadth, and this is going to be the height. So the length of this container is 10 cm times the base is, the breadth is 4 cm times the height is 7 cm. So we multiply 10 cm times 4 cm is about 40. 40 times 7 is 280 cubic centimeter. Last time we have learned cubic centimeter is just the same with milliliter, so this is going to be 280 milliliter. Now we need to find the volume. How much is the water inside this container if the capacity is 280? This container filled with 1/3 of the capacity, so not 1/3, 1/4. 1/4 of capacity. So 1/4 times 280 milliliter. We can simplify this by dividing by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 280 divided by 4 is 70. So 1 times 70 equal with 70 milliliter. Therefore, there are 70 milliliter of water inside this container. We are going to the next question, number 2. Okay, now number 2. This type of question looks similar like number 2 in your workbook. A rectangular tank 12 cm by 5 cm by 10 cm is filled with water up to a height of 8 cm. How much more water is needed to fill the tank completely? Like I said, we start with the capacity first. The formula is length times breadth times height. Okay, the length of this container is 12 and the breadth is 5 and the height is 10. So we can find it, length 12 cm times 5 cm times 10 cm. 12 times 5 is 60, 60 times 10 is 600 cubic centimeter, which is the same with 600 milliliter. We need to find the volume, how much water. As we know, the height of the water is until 8 centimeter. So to find the volume is length times breadth times height. So the length is just the same length, which is 12 centimeter, the same breadth, 5 centimeter, and the height filled by the water is 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter. 12 times 5 is 60. 60 times 8 is 480 cubic centimeter equal with 480 milliliter. We need to find how much more water need to fill until it's completely here to its brim. So we need to minus it to find water needed equal with 600 milliliter minus 480 milliliter equal with 600, 480 minus 0, 5, 10, 2, 5, 1, 120 milliliter. So we need 120 milliliter more water to fill it to its brim. Supaya dia, berarti dipersen semua aja ya. Okay, now we go to number 3. A cubical tank of length of 18 centimeter is filled with 4.47 liter of water. How much more water is needed to fill the tank completely? Give your answers in here. As we know the properties of cuboid, all the lengths are the same, right? So we can see from here, the length is 18. Okay, as we know, the properties of cuboid is the lengths are the same, right? So this is going to be 18, this is going to be 18, and this is going to be 18. So to find the capacity of cuboid, which is the same, length times breadth times height. So it's 18 centimeter times 18 centimeter times 18 centimeter. We multiply. Okay, when we multiply 18 times 18 times 18, it's going to be 5,832 cubic centimeter, which is equal with 5,832 milliliter. Okay, the volume inside the container is about 4.47 liter. It means we need to convert the milliliter into liter. As we learned last time, it's going to be 5.832 liter. Okay, so to find, okay, how much more water needed? Water needed equal with 5.832 liter minus 4.47 liter. We have learned how to minus the decimals. The decimal, which is the same line, 447. This represented by 0. 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 7 cannot. We take from here, this becomes 7, 13, 6, 7 times 4, 3, put dot down, and then this one. So it takes 1.362 liter. Okay? Now we are going to the next number, the last one. Okay, now number 4. At a rectangular tank measuring 24 centimeter long, 18 centimeter wide, and 10 centimeter high is 1/3 filled with water. Then another 1 liter 200 milliliter water is added. Find the volume of water in the tank in the end. Give your answer in liters and milliliters. Okay, based on this container, the length is 24 centimeter. The width, which is the same with the breadth, is 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter for the height. So we need to find the capacity. Length times breadth times height. So 24 centimeter times 18 centimeter times 10. So 24 times 18. 8 times 4, 32, 3, 8 times 2, 16 plus 3, 19. 1 times 4, 4, 1 times 2, 2, 3, 4. 432 times 10 is 4,320 cubic centimeter, which is the same with 4,320 milliliter. When we are going to convert this into liter, this is going to be 4 liter 320 milliliter that we have learned last time. Next, the volume is 1/3. The water inside the container now is 1/3 of capacity. So 1/3 times 4,320 milliliter. I use this first, and then I simplify it. Both divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4,320 divided by 3. 1, 3, 1, 13. This is 4, 12. 1, 12. 4, 12. So 0. It's 1,440 milliliter. So this is going to be 1,440 milliliter equal with that, it added again water, 1 liter, 200, so we add it. So we add the volume with the editing water. 1 liter, 200 milliliter plus 1 liter, 440 milliliter. So we add the milliliter first. 200 plus 440, it's about 640 milliliter. We add liter with liter. 1 plus 1 is 2 liter. So the water inside the container now, it's about 2 liter, 640 milliliter. Okay, that is for today's lesson. I hope you can do it by yourself, because the questions that we have learned just now looks similar like in your workbook. So you can do workbook page 193 until 195. Bye bye.